These are finally coming off to its rightful owner. She's mad dirty. Saying goodbye to the LMGT4s and putting on my stock back on. Man, look at that. So tucked. I've got to pump these tires when I fill it. Look at the difference. Jeez.
I don't need the rest anymore.
Where's my lock nut?
No, where's my lock nut? I need it.
What are you talking about?
The tool, you fool.
What tool?
The tool to take off the wheel nuts.
Oh, this?
Yes. We've got one more wheel left.
I thought you took it off already.
Oh, where did it go? Cheap price on wheels at marketplace. Actually gone for cheap as well.
I'm gonna go white this time.
Just get TEs. Look at these wheels.
Shockworks. I had better ones in the sedan.
Shockworks are Australian, right?
Yeah, I know. Just gotta buy and support Australian brand, you know, on the Jap cars. Hey, Will. You gotta support the Australians.
No, they're lazy. That's why most of their shit's gone fucking export now.
Yeah, he's not wrong.
I'm not racist, I'm just saying it how it is. If Australia wanted me to buy Australian stuff, they'd work harder to keep their shit here and send it out to me.
Yeah. Look at that. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video right now. Yes, I did not record an intro for this, but listen, look at me and take a good look at yourself, because I need you to click that subscribe button because we are on the way to 1k subs. Back to the video. Alrighty, so the 34, when I chucked the stockies back on, shout out to William as well for letting me borrow those LMGTs. They are absolutely wonderful. But yeah, it's just not my time yet to buy one, because yeah, my front left, I noticed there's a hole, which is not good, and I've been driving on it as well, which I don't know why, but we're gonna get that changed today. So when I take it off later on, it's literally where the camber is. It's all the way inside. Now I would actually just take those two wheels off of the car here and chuck it on the TIG, but the TIG is overheating at the moment, so I'm gonna fix that up as well. But yeah, got all the goodies in here, low profile jack, everything to take the wheel off. Literally going to go to a tire shop to take my own wheels off because my car is too low to go on their hoist, which is okay. Alright, I'm not going to lie, I did not know if my camera was gonna get driven over here, but I could tell you right now that my hubby was being a million miles an hour. So you can't tell now, but that crack is like wide as. But
You got a lot of camber in it.
yeah, I know.